Hi, this is Washobi, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the EVANT Decodiver Fume Black Limited Edition. I got this watch from Nomon Watches from Singapore. The watch box is very long, a rectangular white box, but one thing good about this whole thing is that Nomon gives some free gifts such as a couple of straps as well as polishing cloth. As you can see here, it is actually an actual wooden box, not a hard cardboard box. Apart from the watch, you will also find the guarantee document as well as a card from EVANT itself. The watch comes straight from the dealer with the rubber strap. As you can see here, the domed bezel insert, which is a bit unique. Here is a picture of or a video of the movement of the seconds hand. Now the leather itself is stitched really nicely, and it feels really vintage, and it looks really solid. So I do like it a lot. Unfortunately, this watch comes with a solid case back, but at least there's some graphics about the brand and the logo as well. The the brand and logo is also stamped at the back end of the strap. Now the buckle itself is also signed with the brand name. Here is some photos of the watch on my wrist. Subsequently, you will also see a video of the watch on my wrist, and you can see how well it actually fits on my 7.25 inch circumference wrist. So if you do want to get it, this is how it would look like. This is a photo of the watch at night with the lume. So as you can see, it's very well done.